Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. This time the question is how to see Gmail password on your iPad. Now, it is a little bit of an issue if you don't remember it. Of course, the first option is to reset it, which is pretty simple to do. I'm going to cover it later on in the video, but at first, I want you to check out the Passwords app on your iPad because it is possible that you have saved your password in there. So whenever you are logging in with something on your device, the password app is going to pop up asking you if you want to save the specific password. So when you get inside of this app, you can see all of the places and everything from the codes and Wi-Fi passwords and logins. Every single thing which has been saved can be also found and retrieved here. So here you're going to be able to read your actual passwords for a different website. So just make sure to see if you don't have Gmail to be part of this list. And if so, just click on it, view the password, and you're good to go. Besides this, you can just come to the Google login page, and there you have a couple of different ways to get inside. You might as well just use a backup email if you cannot get inside, but you can still change the password, or it's just click that you forgot it, and then through the Gmail address, like a backup one or something, you're going to be able to reset the current password, which can then be saved into your Passwords app, which is pretty secure, and there you can store it essentially forever. Anyways, that's going to be about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know below by hitting the like button, subscribe below, and I'm going to see you in the next video.